Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will solve the problem maximal network rank. So there is an infrastructure of n cities with the some numbers of roads connecting these cities. Each road of I is given a pair of ai comma bi which indicate the city 1 and 2 which are joining with a road. If the road is bidirectional and the network rank of a two different city is defined as the total number of directly connected roads to either city. So let us say over here if we want to find the network rank of city 0 and 1. So number of road connected to city 0 is 1 and 2 and number of road connected to city 1 is 3. So 2 plus 3 5 and if a road is directly connected to both cities, it is only counted once. So right now if you see, we counted this common road between city 0 and 1 two times, like one here and one here. So we need to subtract 1. So the overall network rank of these pairs city 0 and 1 is 4. We have to return the maximal network rank. So how we will solve this problem? So let us see the constraint. Constraint is n is 100 cities and road dot length is less than or equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. And this is given and ai not equal to bi. So how we will solve this problem? So one of the brute force approach of solving this problem is just run the one loop for n city, like I, for I is equal to 0 to n, and then for j is equals to I plus 1. Basically form the n into n minus 1 by 2 pairs of cities, j is equal to I plus 1 to n, and take two pair at a time and then run the roads, like check for all the roads, like from in all the roads and how many roads are connected either 0 or 1. If it you found, so like both the end we need to check ai and bi. If any one of the vertex is 0 or 1, or basically it should be I and j, then we will count the road into that network, like that city pair, and after that we will take overall the rank, maximum rank after this loop, which will be maximal, and in this after running all the roads. So this is the code I implemented. This is a brute force code, and like here I am running one for loop for I, the another is for j, and then iterating for all the roads which we are given in roads array, and then checking if it is 0, like the ai is 0 I or j, and aj like bi is like b of the second coordinate of that road is city is I or j, any one of them, all of, then we will count plus plus. After this loop we will take the update the rank, which is our overall maximum rank, and we will return. So if you see, the time complexity of this solution will be O of n cube, as we are running 3 for loop nested each other. So how we will optimize this further? So at every moment we need to know the every city has how many road connected. So first in one of the array, let us say count of road, we will keep the number of road connected by this road, like 0, how many, like if I create a array for these 4 cities, like 0 index 1 index 2 index, so these are my 4 city, then if I can write the road connected to 0 is 2 and 1 is 3 and 2 is 1 and 3 is 2. So now we know the directly total. Now we will form the pairs and check, but there is another thing we need to know. If we are processing any I and j city, we need to know somehow if it is directly connected or not. So what we will do for directly connected, we will create another two-dimensional matrix of n cross n, of size n cross n, and we will mark if for both the place, like we will use an integer matrix, we will fill the one if I and j is connected to each other. So this is my matrix 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. So now when I know that there is a direct road between 0 and 1, so 0 and 1 I will fill 1 over here, 1 over here. Similarly there is a road between 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 will be 1 here, and 2 and 1 is also 1 here. Then there is a road between 0 and 3, so 0 and 3, 1 over here, 1 over here, and then there is a road direct between 1 and 3, so 1 and 3 will come here, and this is replicate. So this will be the matrix we will create for directly connected component, and then we will use that for our maximum rank. So let's quickly implement the code. So for the coding part, we will take a array of which will keep the number of row counts, which is the size of new int of n, and another array 2D array which will give us a direct. So let it name is a direct connected or not, new int of n. So now we just iterate over all the roads, int road in roads, and we will fill this. So first of all, count of road of 0 plus plus, we will increment the count for both city 0 and 1. This is done. Now we also need to update the direct of road of 0 and road of 1 has one here connected to each other. Similarly 1 and 0, mark the 1 and 0. So once we done, this is pre-processing of our solution is done. Now in the end, we just take, let define the rank, int rank is equal to 0, and then int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, for int j is equals to I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. Now we will just update the max, like rank is equals to math dot max of rank or the number of count. So count of I plus count of j, this is the number of roads connected with the city I and j, and then if there is a direct road between them, just minus that I direct of ij. So that's it. After that, we just return the rank, which is our maximal rank. So let's compile the code. So code is compiled and we are getting expected answer for the one test case. Let's try to submit this and see if it is works or not. So this is works, and this is 100% Java acceptance rate, and so this is the solution. So now if let's see the what is the time complexity of this solution. So if you see here, we are running, this is load of time, so this is worst case O of n, but this is a dominant factor here. We are running 2 nested for loops, so this will become O of n square time complexity, and the space complexity, this will be the dominant, so the space complexity is also O of n square. So if you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.